Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome back to my channel. This never stops being embarrassing, does it? Anyways, it's cute. I like it. It has been a long time since I last uploaded anything, haven't I? But as a matter of fact, I haven't been recording anything in the first place. I realized something over this period of break or break that I wasn't taking this thing as seriously as I think it deserves to get. There is grammatical error in this sentence completely. But what I mean to say is the way the initiative, the reason behind starting it was much more pure to have been nuanced with this word of passion. But I believe the attention and respect this deserved with the way I initiated it as, I wasn't able to keep that up because I lost the essence of it. It feels like I'm talking in circles right now, but I promise it does make sense to me and I have to put it out there. बेसिकली मेरा कहने मतलब घुमाए बिना अगर मैं बोलूँ तो ऐसा लगने लगा था मुझे वो कुछ दिनों में कि मैं सिर्फ रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ और पोस्ट कर रही हूँ. इट डजेंट मीन एनीथिंग. आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग इट फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट बिकॉज मैंने एक संकल्प ले लिया है. बट संकल्प तो साधना होती है. तो अगर मैं वो चीज़ की आराधना ना करूँ, उस चीज़ को सम्मान और इज़्ज़त ना दूँ, तो वो संकल्प कैसे हुआ? फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर मैं बोलती हूँ कि मुझे अब से लेके कुछ दिनों तक रोज़ 3 बार माला जपनी है और मैं एवरीडे और मैं तीसरे दिन के बाद चौथे दिन पे मैं आई जस्ट स्टार्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ इट एज अ चोर टू डू. तो where is the essence of it? Where is the love for it? So of course it's not going to take effect, is what I personally believe. So that's what started with this. I'm sleepy और आज भी रात हो चुकी है. It's around 1 o'clock and I am ready for bed, but since the past 3 days I have been thinking that भाई पोस्ट करना है, कुछ रिकॉर्ड करना है, कुछ रिकॉर्ड करना है. एंड आई वाज लाइक आज मेरा अवतार भी ठीक नहीं लग रहा मुझे. मतलब आई हैव माई फेस इज़ लुकिंग ब्लोटेड और मैंने दोपहर को मुँह धोया था. उसके बाद से मैंने कुछ किया भी नहीं है. स्टिल आई थॉट कि अगर मैं अभी सजने धजने लगी, फलाना ढिमकाना करने लगी, तो मैं फिर से कुछ बहाना ढूंढ लूँगी. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग फॉर इट. एंड आई करंटली डोंट हैव कृष्ण विथ मी, अदरवाइज़ कृष्ण ही पढ़ने का मन था. बट भगवद गीता हैज़ बिन कॉलिंग आउट टू मी एज वेल, सो वो करते हैं. एक्चुअली वॉट हैज़ बिन कॉलिंग आउट टू मी द मोस्ट दीज डेज हैज़ टू बी रामायण. It's amazing. You guys wouldn't believe this, but a poem visited me in my dream. A poem visited me in my dream. It was actually spoken to me. There was this beautiful, sweet, feminine voice who was saying this, who was singing the poem, and it was so beautiful. और मैं सो रही थी, ठीक है. तो क्या हुआ? My subconscious is so tricky. मैं सो रही थी, ठीक है, एंड आई रियलाइज दिस कि मैं ड्रीम देख रही हूँ बिकॉज इट वॉज एन एलेबोरेटिव ड्रीम. ये इवनिंग नैप था, ठीक है. तो मैं सो रही थी तो मेरे को रियलाइज़ हुआ, मुझको रियलाइजेशन था कि यार मैं सो रही हूँ और उसमें मुझे ये सुनाई दे रहा है. तो आई वॉज लाइक, और मेरा सेटअप यूजुअली ऐसा रहता है नैप के लिए कि मेरा जो डेस्क है, आई हैव दिस पोर्टेबल डेस्क, तो वो डेस्क पे मेरा जर्नल और मेरी कुछ तो भी रहता ही है. तो इट इज़ विद इन रीच कि मैं कभी ड्रीम जर्नल करना चाहूँ या कभी कुछ भी करना चाहूँ तो मैं कुछ लिख सकती हूँ. सो मैं ऐसे ही लेटे लेटे वो बुक निकाली और मैंने पेन निकाली और मैंने स्टार्ट किया लिखना. और मैंने जैसे ही 2-3 वर्ड्स लिखे तो मुझे एक नॉकिंग सुनाई दी एंड आई वोक अप. आई फकिंग वोक अप. Sorry, I would like to beep that, but I really don't know how to do editing. So please ignore the word. I woke up, okay? I woke up and I realized that bhai, I had not moved an inch from my sleep. मेरी बुक वहीं की वहीं पड़ी हुई थी, मेरा पेन वैसे ही कैप्ड था. तो भाई आई वॉज लाइक यार शिट, आई स्वेयर्ड अगेन, सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी. आई वॉज लाइक भाई अब तो शायद आई लॉस्ट इट, अब क्या करूँ क्या नहीं. तो आई थॉट कि ठीक है छोड़ो, इतना टेंशन नहीं लेते हैं, चली गई तो चली गई, कोई बात नहीं. स्टिल आई वॉज लाइक इट वॉज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग ड्रीम, इट वॉज अ वेरी लॉन्ग ड्रीम इवन. तो आई थॉट कि एक काम करते हैं, लेट्स ड्रीम जर्नल. So I started writing and I wrote everything that was going on in the dream, in the fragments that I was seeing it. And lo and behold, what happened at that moment when I was supposed to, when I heard that, okay, in that dream sequence, जब मैंने वो poem सुनना start किया, when I reached that point in my writing, I got the poem again. But I'm not sure if it's the same poem. But it was there. तो मैंने कुछ तो लिखा. In my next वाला recording that I'll do immediately after this, because I am thinking of starting मेरा poem kind of recording as well. And it's two things that I'm going to do. It's my own poems as well as the poems that I read and I like. I'd like to share that with you as well. So I want to keep that category around. So for that, I will include this poem as well. I haven't named anything. I haven't named it anything yet. So let's see कि मैं इसका क्या नाम रखूँ. बट आई विल टेल यू वन थिंग, मेरा कभी आई डोंट नो एक पोएटिक मीटर इतना नहीं रहता, क्योंकि मेरे दिमाग में एक लिरिक चल रहा होता है, एक ट्यून चल रही हो, नॉट लिरिक बट एक ट्यून चल रही होती है, तो उसके हिसाब से काफ़ी बार बैठ जाता है. एंड दैट ट्यून इज़ यूजुअली सो सटल, इट इज़ सो डेलिकेट दैट इवन इफ़ आई ट्राई टू इमिटेट दैट इन द रियल लाइफ, कि मैं इस टोन में पढ़ने की कोशिश करूँ, it doesn't happen. The vibration that goes in my head, the tune that goes in my head, I am not yet in tuned with my body to capture that and to produce that. And that is one of the worst feelings, I'd say, because most of my poems are in a ट्यून. मैं लिरिकल का मतलब नहीं समझती, सो आई विल नॉट यूज़ द वर्ड केयरलेसली. यार 10 मिनट तो मैंने बड़बड़ाने में ही ख़त्म कर दिए. मैं इसको एक ऐसा सेक्शन रखूँ कि कैचिंग अप टू यू करके. because I don't want to annoy someone by my इधर उधर की बातें when I'm supposed to be reading. ठीक है, let's call it catching up with you. And there was one more video that was called Just. I deleted that because somewhere something about that was just putting me off. So I had to take it out. Um, is this public domain? If it's public domain, then I could read it. I was thinking when I initially started, my channel, it was not Bhagavad Gita that I was going to start with. When I had been planning, and I had been planning since last May or something. But it was very halka, dhundla, okay. I started planning properly in November something, in October, November. But I still did not have the guts to go ahead with this. So I started a blog instead, my writing blog, which had been my plan for more than 2 or 3 years. Like over 5 years, I could say. पर मुझ में कभी हिम्मत ही नहीं हुई to start. And one solid night when I was high, I just went for it. I heard something, and as I said, I usually think in tunes. I think everybody thinks in tunes. So वो टोन में मैं सुन रही थी और वो मुझे सुन के इतना ब्यूटीफुल लगा कि मैंने बिना सोचे समझे ज़्यादा ओवर थिंक किए बिना ज़्यादा ओवर थिंक वाह 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 एनीवेज ज़्यादा ओवर थिंक किए बिना I wrote my first blog and I published it. Like, of course, it wasn't that I was writing for the first time, but it was that I posted it for the first time. And it is full of grammatical mistakes, okay? The apostrophes, the commas, the full stops, the spacing, everything. It's chaotically placed. But it means so much to me because the reason I wasn't uploading anything, I wasn't posting anything, was because of this fact that I wanted perfection. And I did not know what perfection was, but I have this idea that I want something to be perfect. Now, I still have this idea, okay, that something has to be perfect. But because of this taraju, or rather this axe of perfection, I was forgetting the fact that ये जो perfect जो भी मैं बनाने की कोशिश कर रही थी उसके लिए मुझे कुछ ना कुछ कंटेंट तो एटलीस्ट डालना पड़ेगा कि मैं उसे उस तरह से सॉर्ट कर सकूं. तो मैं हमेशा एक ओवरऑल पीस पे जाती हूँ rather than the starting point. That was my issue. That is still my issue, that I am able to imagine the midpoint or even the end point of something, and I'm not able to figure out what is supposed to be the first step because it overwhelms me. Overwhelm is also a word that overwhelms me. So, anyways, that is a special poem for me. Then again, my first video on this channel was also something like that. I am in my pajamas. I don't even wear hairbands anymore. Hairbands. But I am wearing a hairband in that. I'm looking so dull and rusty and dusty. And मैंने lights भी चालू नहीं की है. And I still am just learning how to speak Sanskrit fluently. So it somehow makes it much more special. It makes it just something that is mine. That I don't have to seek that perfection. But it doesn't change the fact that I like dressing up, I like looking good, I like presenting good, I still want perfection. But my definition of perfection has lost the meaning that it used to have, that I still hear from other people as well. And now it just feels as if I await the day that this sentence will not trigger me in any sort of way, not even pity, because pity is also a reaction and it comes from superiority complex, is what I believe. So this sentence that if I want to do something, I have to do it perfectly, otherwise I won't do it. That is a sabotaging belief. I have gained nothing from this in my life. I believe this is the reason why I am behind in my life. If I were to compare myself with someone else, personally, I believe that I am exactly where I am supposed to be. So it doesn't irk me, but being told that I am behind is sort of, I don't know, it's not hurtful and it's not even eye roll worthy. It just feels a little prickly that I cannot answer them with anything, you know. I'm just letting my thoughts out. I don't know if I should put this out. Should I let this be a journal entry and let it be? But I started with Jai Shri Krishna. Yaar. I'm saying this, I'm saying all of this with respect. So give me a moment. कितने What is the song? I think I heard Aditya Garvi sing this. कितने पन घटने कितने घटने मारू मन मोही गए कितने पन घटने आते. I'll have to hear this somewhere again. I hope मुझे याद रहे. YouTube कर लूँगी. Anyways, so look at my mehndi. Isn't it pretty? You can't even see. You can't see me. But ठीक है. I guess we'll just end it here for now. And I'll read Bhagavad Gita in the next video and my poem in the next. Or should I do the poem first? कितने बटे मारो मन मोही गयो, मारो मन मोही गयो। मुझे ये बंद करना चाहिए, अदरवाइज मैं पूरा अभी गुनगुनाती ही रहूँगी बस। एनीवेज, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो। राधे राधे। थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग।